The Bitcoin spot ETFs are almost guaranteed to get approved, as we have massive names like Fidelity and BlackRock that are on the list. And we all know that BlackRock gets what BlackRock wants whenever they ask. That's neither here nor there. I've been a big advocate against Bitcoin spot ETFs. Reason being is I think they're predatory. The true intent and purpose of Bitcoin was to allow regular people like you and me to actually have complete ownership of our money. Okay, we want to have control. We want to remove the predatory third parties, the banks, the investment firms, all of those types of things. Okay, and I do understand that a Bitcoin ETF might be good for a select few of people, maybe the older generation, maybe people that want to have exposure to Bitcoin without having to create a wallet, because self-custody is hard. But the reason why self-custody is so hard is because you get a great reward for actually holding onto your assets. And in fact, when you custody your own crypto assets, your Bitcoin, it doesn't really cost you anything. Yes, some people like Ledger, Trezor, Arculus, or paper wallets or desktop wallets, and those can be what, like $100, $200. But at the end of the day, you own it. You're in complete control. However, an article was just posted about some of the Bitcoin spot ETF fees. And the post came from Bitcoin News. And it's kind of common knowledge that traditional financial products, ETFs, they charge you about a 1% fee, essentially to manage your assets. Another thing people don't talk about is the people that are custodying, or the entity that is custodying your assets. If they happen to file for bankruptcy and they are not bailed out, you could lose those assets. That's another topic for another time. But let's talk about some of the fees for a Bitcoin spot ETF and how it compares to just actually holding your own Bitcoin and being responsible. The balance after 30 years for self-custody is 100%. For an ETF, it is 73.97%. And for an IRA fee plus ETF fee, it is 54.55% after 30 years. Yes, you heard that correctly. So if you have a Bitcoin spot ETF, you're going to get charged a IRA fee plus the ETF fee, and you're going to almost lose 50% of your Bitcoin. And even if you just hold the Bitcoin spot ETF with just the ETF fee, you're going to lose approximately 25% of your Bitcoin as opposed to retaining 100%. So again, I understand the arguments for wanting to have a Bitcoin spot ETF and trusting somebody else to custody your Bitcoin for you. But at the end of the day, that is not Bitcoin's true intent and purpose. And it's just more predatory traditional financial institutions coming in and taking from the underdogs. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, and share this. This is important information. Either way, I support your choice to custody Bitcoin how you want.